Door installation. Winter Haven is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetics and security. Whether you need entry door services, Winter Haven, or patio door installation, Winter Haven, our team provides top-notch solutions tailored to your needs. Our expertise in door replacement ensures that your new doors fit perfectly and function smoothly. For those seeking storm door installation, Winter Haven, our professionals offer reliable and durable options to protect your home from harsh weather conditions. Door replacement, Winter Haven, is another essential service we provide, addressing issues like door alignment, Winter Haven, and door adjustment, Winter Haven, to ensure your doors operate seamlessly. Interior door installation. Winter Haven is perfect for those looking to upgrade their home's interior design. Our exterior door installation, Winter Haven services are designed to enhance curb appeal while providing security. Custom door installation. Winter Haven allows you to personalize your entryways with unique designs and materials. Door fitting services. Winter Haven ensure that every door in your home is installed with precision. Our door hardware installation, Winter Haven, includes everything from handles to locks, enhancing both functionality and security. Regular door maintenance. Winter Haven is vital for prolonging the life of your doors and preventing costly repairs. Door installation. Winter Haven security is a priority for homeowners concerned about safety. Our team installs high-quality locks and security systems to protect your property. Door refinishing, Winter Haven, and door painting, Winter Haven services offer a fresh look, revitalizing old or worn-out doors. Door sealing services. Winter Haven are essential for energy efficiency, keeping your home insulated and reducing utility bills. Our door insulation, Winter Haven services further enhance this by providing additional thermal protection. Door upgrade, Winter Haven options include modern designs and advanced security features. Door weatherproofing, Winter Haven is crucial for protecting your home from the elements. Our door threshold installation and door jamb installation services ensure a tight seal, preventing drafts and water intrusion. Door installation. Winter Haven is performed with precision to guarantee smooth operation. Our comprehensive door services, Winter Haven, cover all aspects of door care, from installation to maintenance. Trust our experts for all your door needs, ensuring your home remains secure, efficient, and stylish. Contact us today for the best door solutions in Winter Haven, Florida.